Let's make some apple cinnamon simple syrup. It can be a great addition to your cold or hot coffees or any teas you like to have. So to begin, we are going to put 1.5 cups of sugar into a medium-sized pot. The recipe calls for brown sugar, but in this case I didn't have any, so I just added 2 tablespoons of molasses. Then we are going to add a sprinkle of cinnamon, 1.5 cups of water, and let that all dissolve together. And add in a pinch of salt to contrast the sugar. Continue cooking on medium-low heat, and once everything has dissolved together, add in your apples. I used 5 apples here, but you can use 3 to 5, whatever you have on hand. The more apples you use, the more apple flavor will be in there. Give it a good mix and let that keep heating up until it comes to a boil. And you're gonna wanna keep heating the apples until they're quite soft, so that flavor really gets into the syrup. Once the apples have cooked to your desired tenderness and the flavor is in there, we are going to add a teaspoon of vanilla and give that a stir. Now we are going to strain the mixture. Let the syrup cool, and then it is ready to be used in cold or hot drinks. It is so tasty, and what I like to do with the leftover apples is you can add them into any pancake batter or waffle batter you like to use, and it just makes for the tastiest pancakes. It almost tastes like an apple fritter, so I really recommend using the apples in that way. Don't let them go to waste. So there you have it, apple cinnamon simple syrup.